أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
تعمل المثال ثم ضع الأمر من الأفعال الآتية. وقف يقف تقف قف وقف يقف تقف قف لا يحتاج إلى الحمزة لأن أوله متحرك. Listen here, if you remove this arful mudari, then it will become kif. Since it has harkat by itself, vowel sign by itself, it need not have hamza wasal which we usually put in the amr. Dhahaba yadhabu yidhab, hamza wasal is there, that hamza wasal is not needed here. Qif لا يحتاج إلى الحمزة لأن أوله متحرك. تزين, you have to derive amr from this. تزين وزن يزين تزين زن وي وعد يعيد عد promise. Wahaba yahabu hab grant. Wada yadawu tadawu wa put place. اقرأ ما يلي اقرأ ما يلي. متى تصل الطائرة من باريس? When does the flight reach Paris? تصل في الساعة 11:10 It reaches by 11:30. 11:30 11 11 والنصف of 11:30. يجب علينا أن نفهم القرآن الكريم ونعمل به. وجب يجب means becomes obligatory, that is we must understand the noble Quran and act upon it, practice upon it. وَنَعْمَلَ بِهِ, act upon it and practice it. يجب علينا أن نفهم القرآن الكريم ونعمل به. ونعمل به because of an نفهم ونعمل به. We must understand the noble Quran and act upon it, practice it. قال للطبيب, the doctor said to me, ضع هذا الكرس على اللسان ثم ابلعه. ضع, put this tablet on your tongue or place this tablet on your tongue. ثم ابلعه, then swallow it. بلي يبلع, ibla, summa blahu, then swallow it. Satajiduni fil bayti ba'da salatil isha'i inshallah. You will find me in the house after Isha prayer inshallah. Qif, stand here. Ya saik, O driver. Ana uridu an anzila. Qif, you stand here, O driver. Ana uridu an anzila. I want to get down. Zin li kilogramman min as-sukkari ya bakalu. Weigh for me 1 kilogram of sukkar, O grocer. You can say zinli or zinni. Zinli, wait for me, or even you can say Zinni. Ya Salma, da'i hadha al-kitaba ala maktabi. Oh Salma, put this book on my table. Keep this book on my table. Place this book on my table. لماذا تقف هنا يا أخي? Why do you stand here, oh my brother? اجلس, sit down. لا تقف في الطريق. لا تقف في الطريق. Don't stand on the road. طريق, road. Way. قال الله عز وجل في سورة سبأ. Allah Azza wa Jal says in Surah Saba, يَعْلَمُ مَا يَلِجُ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَمَا يَخْرُجُ مِنْهَا وَمَا يَنْزِلُ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ وَمَا يَعْرُجُ فِيهَا وَهُوَ الرَّحِيمُ الْغَفُورُ. يَعْلَمُ, he knows, مَا يَلِجُ فِي الْأَرْضِ, what enters into the earth, وَمَا يَخْرُجُ مِنْهَا, and what leaves from it, وَمَا يَنْزِلُ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ, and what descends from the sky, وَمَا يَعْرُجُ فِيهَا, and what ascends to the sky, what ascends to it. وَهُوَ الرَّحِيمُ الْغَفُورُ, and is the most merciful and most forgiving. Here Yeliju, Walaja Yeliju, enters. وقال تعالى في سورة الشورى, in Surah Shura, Allah Ta'ala says, لله ملك السماوات والأرض يخلق ما يشاء يهب لمن يشاء إناثا ويهب لمن يشاء الذكور. To Allah belongs kingdom of the skies and the earth. يخلق ما يشاء, he creates whatever he wishes. يهب لمن يشاء إناثا ويهب لمن يشاء الذكور. يهب لمن يشاء الذكور, he grants to whomsoever he wishes female children. ويهب لمن يشاء الذكور, and to whomsoever he wishes he grants male children. dhukur, dhakar dhukur, unsa inas. ta'amalil amsalatal atiyata lil ismil musaghar. What is the meaning of musaghar? Ulaydun, a little boy. Waladun sagirun, a little boy. Ulaydun, a little boy. It is on the pattern of fuailun, fuailun, jubailun, jabalun sagirun. We can say a hillock or a hill. That is a small mountain, hill. Nuhairun, nahrun sagirun, a small river like stream. Nuhair. Kelbun sagirun, kulayb. Kulayb means a small dog. We can say puppy. Sagir al asma al atiya. Rajulun, a man. You have to make tasgir on the pattern of wailun. Rujailun, rujailun. Rujailun means it is not a little man, it is actually, it's abuse actually. A silly man. In that meaning it is used. Rujail. Qalamun, a small pen, a little pen. Qulaymun. Tiflun, a small child. Tufailun, a little child. Najmun, A star, a small star, Nujaymun.
لبيك اللهم لبيك 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 اللهم